Yo, welcome back al canal El Combo, el Combation, ya tú sabes, aquí estamos a Fuegation, otra vez, un día más, a bregar. Hoy le toca otra vez a la BM, hoy le vamos a cambiar, today we're gonna be putting on, swapping actually, one of the sensors, the fuel. Yeah, el de la gasolina, the fuel sensor, fuel pressure sensor. So, vamos a meterle mano. Y aquí estamos. The only thing we're gonna need, this is the sensor. Esta llave. But the first thing you gotta do is make sure that the engine is cold, because you're gonna work back here. So this is the sensor. And it's pretty easy, super easy. So before you do anything, the first thing you're gonna do is turn off your battery. Disconnect the battery. Don't turn it off. Go back here. First thing first, you gotta disconnect your battery. Negative. With a 10mm, that should do it. Just disconnect it, just put it to the side, and then you can start working on the front. So first we're gonna remove this here. We're gonna fill it from here too, because we're gonna work back here. So right here, this part here, en esta misma parte, ahí es que está. Ping, 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 ping. Ahí está. So ahora vamos a meterle. Let's do this. So I don't know if you can see it, but back here, ahí, at the end of the rail, that piece right there. Ahora aquí creo que lo podemos ver un poco más mejor. So this one here, that's the piece we're moving. That's the sensor back here. So what we gotta do now, we get ready. After we remove pretty much everything, clear our way, what I do, just put a wrap, un pañito under here, because remember, fuel go there, so you might be dropping a little bit of fuel. And remember, always make sure that you disconnect your battery, so that way nothing get connected, so you don't get no gas leak or none of that stuff. So I removed the sensor. This is the old one. And we're gonna get the new one and replace it. And we got the new one here. Make sure everything is clean. Screw it back in with your hands, con la mano hasta que llegue. Keep turning, 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 turning. This is really fragile, so you don't have to torque it all the way down. So when you feel like you can go no more with your hand, then you get the tool. Just that's it. You see? Hasta ahí. Get your plug. Plug it back in. And then pull all your stuff back together. And that's it. You just walk, backwards. Put the gasket back in. The intake, all the intake stuff. And you're done. Oh, and don't forget to connect back the battery. So that's it. So everything's back on. Ya todo está puesto, menos el cover. Because I want to make sure that there's no gas leak or nothing before I put the cover. Quiero asegurarme de que no hay liqueo ni nada de gasolina antes de que le ponga el cover. El cover aquí. So, ahora vamos a prender la nave. Una vez ya prendimos la nave, estas luces, esos se van. This is gonna go away. But every time you disconnect the battery, they come on. So all you gotta do is just drive your car for like 2 miles and it'll go away. So yeah, so far so good. No hay liqueo, no leak, everything looks good. Now we can get our cover. Put back our cover. And that's it. And let's take it for a spin. And you're gonna see that those lights are gonna go away. Siempre aparecen cuando desconecta la batería. Every time they disconnect your battery, it's like, come on. All you gotta do is drive it for a couple of miles and it went away. Alright. So everything looks good. Bueno, mi gente, ya vieron, como pudieron observar. Fue bien fácil, cualquiera lo puede hacer. Anybody can do it. I only use 2 tools that I remember, maybe 3. Con el 10 millimeters para disconnect the battery, adjustable wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. That's all I use. Pam, pum, pam, pam. Done. Anybody can do it. No lo llevas un shot, no dejes que te cobren un montón. Don't let them overcharge you. It's super easy. Solo llévalo al shop. Only take it to the shop when it's like impossible. And nothing is impossible. Porque nosotros somos el verdadero, el combo, lo más loco. Nos vemos hasta la próxima.